guys, it's Nell. Welcome back to my channel. It's 1 p.m. and I know the day kind of started late, but I woke up, I ate breakfast, I got ready, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get my ears pierced today. A little background story on my ears. I have really sensitive ears. This is gonna be like my 8th time trying to get them pierced, and you're probably wondering like, Nell, why are you doing it again? Like, it didn't work 8 times. What makes you think it's gonna work now? Well, I realized that all those times that I've gotten them done was because I've done it with a gun instead of a needle. So today we're gonna try something different. I just hope it doesn't get irritated because it's just so annoying, and I really just want to have earrings on and I can't. So we're gonna do that today. All right, let's do a little OOTD. I'm wearing this maroon turtleneck shirt from Topshop, and then my necklaces are from the Trading Post, and then this belt is from Zara, and my jeans are from Pull & Bear. The boots are from Zara as well. They're just like these cowboy boots, and I'm really digging this look. We also have this maroon backpack from Zara, and that's the fit. So we just hopped in the car, and the place, gonna go away. This, hey y'all, we're here. It's right there. That's where we're going. Let's go. I picked this one right here. I think it's cute, small. This is the piece that I picked out.
Okay, so I'm gonna hold that on there. Take a deep breath in for me, please. And slow exhale. That's how you're done. Well done. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it feels so weird to see an earring in my ear.
Alright. You ready? Deep breath in and out. That's it.
Well guys, we finally got them done after procrastinating for weeks. They're done. Alright guys, it's done. We did it. I feel fabulous. Wow, it's so weird seeing earrings on me. I'm so not used to this, and like, whoa. And we're off. Hey guys, it's currently 6:37 p.m. I know I haven't vlogged in a while, but I just went home, I changed my fit and stuff, and now I'm going to my friend Tez's house. I'm actually waiting for the Uber right now, and yeah. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. It's currently Saturday. It's around 1 p.m. and me, my mom, and my friend and her friends were all going to the Getty Museum. I decided it would be a fun day to vlog, and my friend Mila, the one that I'm going with, is sleeping over, and we have plans for tonight, so I just wanted to, you know, whip out my vlog camera and bring you guys along with me. And yeah, I'm ready. We're gonna leave the house in a few minutes. I just want to do an outfit of the day. So let's go. This is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this white top from Urban Outfitters. My shorts are from the Trading Post, and then my jacket is vintage. I don't even know where I got it from. But that's the fit. And then this necklace is also from the Trading Post. I've been wearing it a lot. Really cute. And then my shoes are Doc Martens. And that's our fit. Hey guys, we're at the Getty. This is Mila. Oh, we'll just go on the next one.
See this? It got so nice brick stuff.
Mila, you should go dance for us. We're at a museum. We're such intellectuals. Oh my god, there's another one. Wait, hold my hand so we can be a cute couple.
Okay.
Guys, yes, this is happening.
I want my wedding here.
Oh my god, Mila, it's you. Nice wall, nice wall. So nice. Oh yeah, I love walls. Yeah, guys, this is where I nap. you know. This is where I edit my videos, right there. Yeah, and I light candles to set the mood. What room is this? This is my sitting area. I like to ponder. This is my closet. This is where I take my mirror pics.
I don't know where to look. Wait.
Right here. So we are done at the Getty Museum and we're going on the tram back to our car, and then we're gonna go to Sawtelle to eat some ramen.
I'm not eating that much because if I eat that much, I'm gonna get bloated and then like fat. Real life girl problems. We all know women.
We came to Tatsu at Sawtelle. Guys, we found Japanese candy. What are they? Oh my god, ASMR.
We want to make those tonight.
Popping cookie? Good morning to the world of internet. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing a day in my life. Yeah, I just wanted to film this beautiful Sunday day. Kind of out of breath because I've been chasing Jax. Is he? What are you doing, dog? Ah! I'll get a point. Okay, well the ball literally. Crazy dog, you crazy dog. Max, you just had to go into the mud puddle. Yes. What should I wear today? Just got out of the shower, I picked my outfit, I put on some makeup. I just wanted to show you guys my outfit before I left. Wearing this white turtleneck from like Forever 21, very basic staple item. And then my cropped leather jacket. And then this belt and the pants. They're both from Zara. They're real cute. These pants are new. And then these are my little cowboy boots that I am obsessed with. Hey guys, you probably don't even know like what I'm doing right now because I didn't tell you guys, but my best friend Leela, she just moved into a new house and I'm gonna help her move in, and then because you have to do that to me.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you too. But
it's 6:16 and we just bought movie tickets to see Wreck-It Ralph 2. This is like her little vanity area. It's pretty cute. And then we have this situation going on. We're at Century City because this is where we're gonna see the movie. We're like kind of on time, but I'm a little late. I'm really cold. But I feel like I know those people. Awkward. I got the corn, the corn, the corn.
Theaters, where we make movie moments AMC amazing.
The movie ended and it's like 9:30 right now, and I just ordered the Uber back home. It's so cold, by the way. Yikes.